Do not put a deadline on your body. You have your entire life to be healthy and happy. Losing 20 lbs in 30 days does not mean anything. People who do not understand your silence will never understand your words. Anyone can find the dirt in someone. Be the one who finds the gold. You got to train your mind to be stronger than your emotions, or else you will lose yourself every time. Never regret being a good person to the wrong people. Your behavior says everything about you, and their behavior says enough about them. When things are going well, do not forget to thank your team behind the scenes. Someone is sitting in the shed today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Do not quit. Sometimes the things you are hoping for come at unexpected times. Sometimes it's not the people who change, it's the mask that falls off. Never give up on something that you cannot go a day without thinking about. Do not wait until the conditions are perfect to begin. Beginning makes the conditions perfect. Being nice to someone you do not like does not mean you are fake. It means you are mature enough to tolerate your dislike toward that person. Do not be afraid to lose people. Be afraid to losing yourself by trying to please everyone around you. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. The most you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more amazing things take root and happen. This is because you attract what you think about most. Relations get stronger when both are willing to understand mistakes and forgive each other. If your path is difficult, it is because your purpose is bigger than you thought. If you are constantly facing new situations, it means you are living a life of growth and great possibilities. Do not wait for the things to get better. Life will always be complicated. Learn to be happy right now, otherwise you will run out of time. Life is a combination of adjustment and compromises. Adjust when someone wants to be with you, and compromise when you want to be with someone. Performance always comes from the passion, not from the pressure. Always be passionate. Love what you do and do what you love. Kindness is learning someone your strength instead of reminding them of their weakness. Keep the faith. The most amazing things in life happen right at the moment you are about to give up hope. Timing is everything. If it is meant to happen, it will end for the right reasons. Speak only when you feel your words are better than your silence. If you fuel your journey on the opinions of others, you are going to run out of gas. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking. Because her trust is not in the branch, but in her own wings. Always believe in yourself. The most you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more amazing things take root and happen. This is because you attract what you think about most. You often feel tired not because you have done too much, but because you have done too little of what sparks a light in you. Locks are never manufactured without a key. Similarly, Almighty God never gives problems without solutions. Only we need to have patience or to unlock them. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. A certain darkness is needed to see the stars. People who love you for who you are rather than what you can do for them are the best kind of people. Whatever you think of again and again affects your feelings and is impressed upon your subconscious mind. It then becomes a part of your personality. The mind is a fertile garden. Feed it wisely. Your diet is not only what you eat, it is what you watch, what you listen to, what you read, the people you hang around with. Be mindful of the things you put into your body emotionally, spiritually, and physically.